Um, I think so. I'm gonna work on cycling. Uh, I'm gonna which means I have to create the splice mode. Uh, entering in Xgene. Uh, is so cool. Adding stuff and not needing to worry about the options, but I have to keep it in the back of my mind because if I edit a function that has anything to do with displaying anything, then that could be a problem. I don't think I'd have to change anything until really deep into my to-do list. So I think that's good. Oh, we'll do just in case I finish something. Um, visual mode, maybe, maybe not. Delete word, probably not. Uh, right here, that would change stuff. Uh, so I might have to do that change in two files. But then, at a certain point, I forgot where. Um, oh, actually, here. So right here, splice no output. I think this is like, pretty much like a big I might even just merge after here instead of way down there. Um then after here we can do maybe system D later. Somewhere around there. So I don't know, here's like a point where you know there's like a I don't know, but like up to 11, lane 11. I don't think I'd run any run into any problems with the way I have it set up uh, with the options. Anyway, so when you go into splice mode, this is probably going to be a little bit more inconvenient, but it just it just kind of I don't know. It's gonna be the way it is. Um, just because I want I don't know something. I don't know if it's gonna be up and down like this, but it probably will be. Um, or maybe left and right. Some I would want the movement keys to like rotate through the occurrences, like heroes possible code that wouldn't work. Uh, Possible code makes cycling in normal mode. Like if you do want to switch to splice mode to rotate through the occurrences from the find search. Even though you would kind of do something, I guess, like this kind of you but um something about cycle to enact should be handled by command line instead of in function normal case and so we would still need a variable. The variable would probably be in command line and splice would edit that variable. So we would probably still have found index used for cycling strings 39. So I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna put it in G though. Cause it'll probably be mainly used by CL. So maybe it'll be somewhere else. But I don't know. What's it called? Check if whatever. It'll be 0 by default. So I originally thought like 0 don't go anywhere. I needed that for if we wanted to do like normal mode, so that way you could go back to having access to the um normal. How do you set this up again? I know it's probably gonna be like I know it's in a frenzy, but I think it's insignificant the cost. Currently, maybe not sure. Um. So found index would actually be 1, and we're gonna need a wraparound, which will be handled by splice. But right here we just do. Oh, actually it would be 0 because I used my whoops. Okay, whatever. Um. Uh, my eyes are a little tired, but I am not, so I am good. Found. Ooh, that was a little bit laggy in my like. Oh, I'm really laggy. That's really unlucky, but I think it's stopped now. Might be like that. Um. I should go to router or something. Wonderful. I wonder how often I get these. Whether it's worth it to just hold enough cookies in the bank for frenzy or to try shooting for like 200 quadrillion. Um, I guess I could maybe figure that out. Um, okay, we're no longer dropping it. On Netflix, it's fine. Dang it. Snippets edit. So modeless. Is there ever a situation where escape wouldn't be going to normal mode? So if we're in insert mode and we hit escape, that's normal. Visual mode and we hit escape, it's normal. Visual line, escape. I don't know how to do visual block. I think it's just like that. Escape. What modes do I have? Oh, I put it in visual modes. So I think I should just put in modeless, right? Because modeless would run every time. So uh I'm not gonna do much testing with this because for breaks I'm pretty sure I'll notice it because I won't be able to go to a mode or I won't be able to do something in a certain mode, but I'm trying to look to see where modeless happens. It does not happen. I didn't do it. Which is fine. I could do that later. It's not important. Uh Number 11 is important there. Um so this is easy. Now we can do modeless here. And then we would do something like that's basically the code. Already done. Already written out. Um, Now I forget what we're doing. Function splice. Okay. do so case escape because modless isn't done. And we do. I think it's like this. And we need a way to enter all this. Splice. We should be able to splice from visual line and other modes. Because I think from visual to visual line as well. But I will do that later because it's probably not important. Forgot where I'm going. Normal. I'm gonna go into a normal function, and now we're gonna add a key binding to be able to go into normal mode. Right here is fine. This is gonna be temporary, because I haven't thought too much about it. It seems to be like an empty key. Generally, I'd want a key a lot better than my pinky for splice mode. And also eventually just bindings and just almost just setting random keys. It doesn't really matter what it is, but whatever. Good enough. So we're gonna do G mode, and I think that handles correctly. Yeah, splice. So now, so we are in normal mode. We're gonna go to L. We're in splice, and then we can just. I missed the golden cookie, didn't I? That buffer seems small. Is it not? Oh, is it commented out? Yes, it is. So it should work, right? I don't have to. check anything. Normal, no weights, G-dog count. It's fine. There's the second one. It's the mouse. I guess I could progress a little bit. That's actually a lot. I'm not even sure if during a frenzy I'd be able to get the max reward when harvesting baked berries, but I guess I don't have any, so it doesn't matter. Yep, I'm under. Need 117. I guess I'll stick to 121. I'll stick to the frenzy amount. And if until I figure out whether to go higher or not. Just slowly progress from there. Oh, is this saved? There we go. Okay, rotate through found. That's easy. I guess we could do both, because I don't know which one is better. Um, So actually, I think I should technically stick with the home row, even though it makes more sense to like travel vertically. But or I'll do both, whatever. But I think NH makes more sense. And H. Let's see. So next occurrence, uh, if uh, found x plus 1 is less than found index minus 1. Do I need minus 1? So right. Okay, so let's say we're at 6 and there's 8 elements. So length will return 8. And we're at 6, which means we could go to 7. 7 would be the last element. So if 6 plus 1 is less than 8, that is true, which means we could go. But if we're at 7 plus 1, that is 8, then that is not true, so we can't go. This works, no minus 1 or anything like that. Pop, pop. Oh shit, I probably should have done that. Whatever. Hmm. Mm. Uh, can we do plus plus? And then we do uh found indexes greater than or equal to. No, actually just greater than 0. We do. That's good. And then we would have to run the code again. Maybe we do have to put code in here that would set the placement. But I'll worry about that in a second. What's happening in my... I had to look at the code, see what it does. We call the function find with that. We might have to do it. Actually, we don't have to do that find call again because it's already been done. We just have to set the placement. Okay. I have an idea. What I'm about to do is pretty clear, but I had an idea to do after it. I'm gonna have to put. Why can't this be one line? Okay. My idea in function normal. First, let me check function visual. Second. Oh, function insert. Function back to normal. I just put it away at the bottom here. So you're gonna have to press escape twice to be able to like reset. Or I'm clicking away. I'm pretty sure I'll click away Big Bear because I'm not paying attention when I'm doing. Instead of doing this, a better idea might be to do this G dot. So that way, instead of you have to press a button to like clear your, and then open up the command line and then type find test and enter. When you type that command, it already kind of knows by, because whatever. I think this works. Let's try it out. Edit. Test. Let me edit a better file. Yeah. So this would probably have a lot of maybe every occurrence of grub. If I remember how to find. Okay, grub. We're gonna go into splice mode in the next occurrence. Let's exit splice mode. Okay. Okay, so we know that. What key did I do though? And it's only one. Uh-oh. So there's no problem here. Oh wait, I only console.logged one. Is that correct? 4811. We're not on that key, right? We are on that key. Is plus plus not working? I think plus plus might not be working. Oh, there's a typo somewhere. It should work though. I'm pretty confident. Dang it, did I misspell it? I did misspell it, but Okay. And technically found should be here. So there's 5 occurrences of grub. And it's all at different points. So the find function should work, I think. It is just pretty easy. Big Berry, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. So much time. Unluckiest thing ever. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 80, 90, 100, 110. With this click friendly, I should be able to get the max reward from a frenzy. Yep. Mature in an hour and 40 minutes. So like I'm pretty confident. Let's say it takes an hour and 40 minutes for it to grow. Um an hour and 40 minutes. And let's say I only get a friendly and I like I don't know, basically get 100 instead of 200. So if I waited for the 250 compared to the 100, I'm getting twice as many, twice the reward. So it would always be smart to wait for a frenzy and another um golden cookie. um what are they called? uh Basically 2 golden cookies clicked near the same time. 2 active I'll say golden cookie rewards. So it would make sense to wait for that double golden cookie reward as long as it's underneath the time it takes for it to mature, right? So an hour and 40 minutes. Uh, because if you didn't wait uh, and just did it on the first frenzy, you'd have to wait the hour and 40 minutes to get the extra 100 quadrillion when you could have waited less than an hour and 40 minutes and gotten that same amount. I think that's the way it works. So I'm gonna try to not get anything for a while to get the reward for the 200 quadrillion reward, which is probably like a lot more cookies in the bank. Basically the reward of frenzy plus another golden cookie reward. This thing is gonna take an hour. I'm gonna have to wait till Monday. Sunday. So I don't think it was plus plus. Does it have something to do with G-dot placement? If I did this, would that make a difference? Um, I can't read those numbers. Zero. If 0 plus 1 is less than... Oh, found index dot length. G dot. Found dot length. Oops. We're gonna do... that, go into this place. Should I do automatic wraparound? Okay, that'll be an option. Um, Oh, there are more and more things to the to-do list. I'm not dropping any more frames, right? I'm good. At least we have a search. It's usable, kind of. Uh, Cinnamon is pretty low. Um, um, oh, here it is. I did not do this though. I'd have to do another statement here. Do I put it in? Ah, there's gonna be so many lines of. Ah, getting close to 1,000. Function. Place. Do I do it? No, there's errors when you search the wrong thing. There's stuff to fix later. Um, find command line and keep press. Done. Next. Done later. And fix. Add. Find search. Um, it doesn't make sense to rotate through found. Makes sense to rotate to find, I think. But it's found's the array. 900 quadrillion. Oh wait, that's the cookies required? But I don't know the reward. I'm just assuming double the cookies means double the reward. Which should be correct, right? So I just need 900 quadrillion. That's a lot. Yes, please, cases. It's time to work on displays. Maybe rotate forward and back in splice mode. Start at cursor position. Default. Rotate, find back search. Option T. Start at position. I did that. Normal case. F up. Normal case. Switch back to C. I think I did it in a different way. That's better. So we got this and this. So I think these two are swapped in terms of importance, because this is just like optimization in order to make visual mode work better in larger documents and stuff like that. I'm worried about middle weed overtaking my one big ray. Luckily it's in a corner, so there's less spots of middle wheat to be around it, grow, and then overtake it. I think that's how that works. There is also the idea of intentionally selling my wizard towers to be able to get more golden cookies. If golden cookies, I need to get golden cookies quicker for the Big Bear reward or stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move it down. Um, Splice, rotate. Um, these kind of aren't organized by like most useful, but like what's the easiest to do? Like this is like 4 lines. This is a little bit more, but it's pretty important. Uh, it's like it's weighted weirdly. Uh, uh, it went all the way to 175. Oh my god. Maybe I should have just tracked it instead of selling. Um, I think I might commit. That way, Splice can just be one commit. Have my tokens expired? I hope not. That would not be good. So let's see what we did so far. Gets status. Uh, I think just get diff works. Edit. Should I get diff? We can just do. I'm guessing the commit would be something like find, and because we did the find function and we basically um added it. Tiny meaningless optimization. That's maybe for wait, why didn't I do this? This seems like it seems like it would work. Oh, we're just pressing F would open up the console. It would save a key. Do I do it? It should probably be in modeless. Not in modeless, not insert. Um, I might make that work. Hold on. It just kind of, I don't see what's wrong with it, but I think I had an issue with it. Mm, maybe copy to his place later. I think I had the space here because I was gonna add more stuff. Maybe it should be in edit CL instead of. Maybe I'll just point it to like a generically like maybe the fine code should be in edit CL. Because this has probably been there for a while. Um, Let me try to see if it works, I guess. Because it might not work. I don't think it's good. So when I'm typing fgrub here, uh, R isn't ran, but when I was doing it there, it was. So this is a cool idea to save a key press, but it would require like um kind of like fixing. It's not as like simple, and like Splice would have to have it, and I could do that in like 2 or 3 lines by just calling normal through Splice, but it just uh I'm just gonna maybe I'll come up with the idea again later, and yeah. So let's go back to I'm so scared of this layer because it has a reset. And it has like a whole ton of stuff I don't know half the stuff on this, but I just know there's some dangerous keys on this layer. But it's how I need to move up and down, so I just gotta not forget. I just not forget that I'm in this layer. Um, and just moving that code. I don't need to mention anything about that. Renaming. Don't need to mention anything about that. Yeah, it's honestly, it's a kind of a not very interesting commit. I keep forgetting it's quit. It's just to get at all. Add. Is it capital A? I think it's capital A. So get fine. And actually, I don't need to push the changes actually. It'll save, I guess the dates don't really matter. But now I could start working on the next commit. So your branches ahead of that to is get pushed to, yeah, I don't really want to get pushed right now. I'll get pushed one in my head by 2 commits. So my big berry's getting there. So tired. Okay, well, I can keep going, but my eyes can't. Like, I could keep thinking, I could keep writing, and I have more to do, even if I don't want to do the most important next task on my to-do list, which is splice with no output. I could do some of these things, but going all the way to 2 a.m. I don't think so. So let's just see what happens tomorrow. Okay, we can save here. And we can end. It is 1:19 a.m. Sunday, October 23rd.